we're making a hot cocoa.
It's a healthy kind.
Yeah. You're gonna need is cow milk, raw milk straight from the cow, and organic cocoa powder, and maple syrup. And what else?
Oatmilk.
Mama got this warm thing from Amazon to warm milk up. Put some milk in. There. And then you need to put the lid on. And then you need to push the button. And then it'll go and you have to wait. While we're waiting, we need to get some cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon. And put it in here. And 1 tablespoon of maple syrup.
It's ready. But we can sew it now.
Okay.
Whoa.
So pour it in there. Oh, you
Oh
pour
my.
it everywhere. Everywhere. I got it. I got it.
Felicity, would you like to store it?
Yeah.
Do you want to put the marshmallows in?
Yeah.
We got all natural marshmallows, and Felicity's gonna put them in. Wanna put them in? Don't put all of them in, okay? Don't dump it in.
Yeah.
You put all of them in.
Just a tiny bit.
If you can't have dairy or raw milk from the cows, you can have oat milk like Mama. So, thank you for watching. Now I'm gonna make
Bye everyone. Bye everyone.
I had fun making cocoa with you.
Thank you. Mama, my sauce